If you're a guy like me looking at a time like now, the main thing you think is, man, the 1990s were freaking glorious.
Who is he?
He's a lawyer.
Just a lawyer?
What they're deciding in those rooms is a direct challenge to the idea of America.
Did the scientists even consider possible benefits?
You can't rip up civilization on a hypothesis.
Pick a side, fight for it, or your enemies will destroy you.
I will wrestle this process into an agreement for the sake of your children and mine.
The developed world must make dishonorable reparations for the damage it has caused.
China will not remain poor so that the world can breathe.
Sea level rise will threaten our
We may
survival.
be talking about the end of life on Earth as we know it.
Are we on the wrong side?